another video on how to power on the Bootcamp Partition as a virtual machine. I'm a Mac OS user, and I also use Windows for my testing. So whenever I use Windows, I basically shut down Mac OS and use Bootcamp to run to turn on the Windows and test my applications. But there is another easier way. While using Mac OS, you can also use the Windows. So basically, what exactly the Bootcamp is? Bootcamp is basically an Apple software, and which enables Intel-based Mac um, to run the Windows operating system. So Bootcamp basically requires you to choose between the Mac or Windows at boot time. Using another application, VMware Fusion, we can connect this Bootcamp partition as a virtual machine, and we can use that. So as you can see, I'm using macOS, Windows, and with the help of VMware Fusion application, we can connect the Windows to the Fusion virtual machine. So what are the benefits we can get? Um, the benefit is while you're using Mac, you can use the Bootcamp without rebooting and switching between them. And the another benefit is that you can share files between your Bootcamp virtual machine and your Mac through share folders, dragging files, and you can cut and paste kind of environment. So how to create a virtual machine? If I click plus, click new, I can see that the installation method. So it says migrate your PC, install macOS, or import an existing virtual machine, create a virtual machine. So this is the option we are looking for. So basically we are looking for how to install from the bootcamp. We already have a bootcamp and we need not to install a fresh copy of the Windows 10. So we can use this bootcamp. Okay, so it has recognized the bootcamp, but it's giving us two options. What is the first option? Create a bootcamp virtual machine. So what it's trying to say is that you can use the same bootcamp and you can attach the volume to the Fusion. So that's the first option. The second is import your bootcamp volume. So basically it's saying you can import your volume, basically copy that volume and create a new VM. We don't want to do that because in that way we will be consuming more storage. So one storage will be consumed by the bootcamp Windows and the another storage would be another virtual machine in the Fusion. We would like to use this bootcamp volume connect to the Fusion. So you can see what will happen when I click continue. So basically it has created a summary. The guest operating system is Windows 10. Memory it's allocating is 2 GB. NAT, basically NAT is required. It's a network address translation. It's required for sharing between the Mac and the bootcamp. And I click finish, decide later, click OK. And this will try to connect my bootcamp volume to the Fusion. You can see here that my volume is no more available in the startup disk because the same volume is utilized by the Fusion. So this way, I'm using my same volume. Yeah, it's the same volume, it's the same password, and this way I can connect my bootcamp volume to the Fusion. VMware Fusion, VMware also giving some free keys for the Fusion 12. I'll post that in my second video. Yeah. So you can see it's the same window which I can see in my bootcamp, and the same window is popping up in here. But this bootcamp volume is no more utilized for any other stuff because it's been utilized for the Fusion. How I can release? Does it mean that I cannot go back to my bootcamp? I have to keep using Fusion? No. If I shut this Fusion machine, um, Fusion virtual machine, once it's shut down, the volume is available for the bootcamp again. So it's the same volume being utilized between the Fusion or the macOS bootcamp. You see, the bootcamp has been shut down from the Fusion and it is available for normal operation. So this way you can also use it the way you want to do. You have been using it up till now, or you can use it in the VMware Fusion. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop in the comments and I'll try to answer your questions. Thank you.